The assertive nationalist. 11. Who were assertive nationalists? Or, 2. Why were the assertive nationalists so called? Or, 2. Name 3 prominent assertive nationalist leaders. 1. Ange. This group of leaders came to be known as assertive nationalists. They were so called because they had a different outlook that advocated active resistance to British imperialism. They condemned the British rule in India and held it responsible for the country's downfall. They called upon the people of India to make sacrifices for the sake of their country. 3 prominent leaders of this group were Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai and Bipin Chandra Pal. They are famous as the Lal Bal Pal trio. Comparison between early nationalists and assertive nationalists. 12. Differentiate between the early nationalists and the assertive nationalists. Or, 3. Differentiate between the methods adopted by the early nationalists and the assertive nationalists. 3. Ange 1. Faith/rejected the British rule. Early nationalists. They had faith in the British sense of justice and fair play. Assertive nationalists. They rejected British rule and held it responsible for poverty of the Indian people. 2. Positions under the British rule. Early nationalists. They held good positions under the British government. Assertive nationalists. They denounced British rule and denied it. 3. Aim. Early nationalists. The early nationalists wanted to achieve self-government and they strove for autonomy within the empire and not for absolute independence. Assertive nationalist. The assertive nationalists aimed at nothing short of Swaraj as it existed in the United Kingdom. 4. Support. Early nationalists. They received their support from the intelligentsia. Assertive nationalists. They drew their support from the masses. 5. Methods. Early nationalists. They believed in constitutional methods and worked within the framework of the law. Assertive nationalists. They were assertive in their approach. 6. Inspiration. Early nationalists. They were inspired by the ideas of Western philosophers. Assertive nationalists. They drew their inspiration from India past.